The reason why we chose WeconnectU was our company, Watchbrook, was looking for a system that could service all our entities.
They don't just supply one solution, they supply an ecosystem of a variety of solutions which are tailor-made to my needs.
Where rentals, sectional title and inspections could come together and assist us. And from that, WeconnectU was the best system out there.
We chose WeconnectU for three main reasons. And that is because, first of all, it really assisted us in being a lot more efficient. Second of all, that all the different modules was actually built into one platform in financial, compliance, communication between the different departments. And obviously that WeconnectU system, we definitely saw the opportunity to create a better profitable business going forward.
We as property managers need to have certain compliances in place. What WeconnectU offers us is a dashboard where we can go in at any time and see where we are in line with our compliances. So it helps us to manage it a lot better.
It is an extremely user-friendly program which can be used by anybody within the organization. And if you just take the time to play around with it for half a day, you understand it, you know it, and you're able to trust it.
WeconnectU definitely leads to more profitability for us because it allows us to manage more clients with the same size team that we currently have.
Since joining WeconnectU as a business owner has provided me with so much comfort. It's like a safety net for my property management business.
So WeconnectU has brought our business together with the solutions that they offer. Makes it easier for me to sleep at night. And able to look at my business from a global perspective and manage accordingly.